Hi, this is Phil from Campervans, and today I'm going to give you a tour of this E350 van we just converted. Alright, let's begin the tour. First show you everything. Right here at the entrance is a seat, bottle opener. It also has a 12-volt plug, USB plugs to charge your phone and devices. And in here we have a little toilet and some more storage. Perfect for when you're on the road or camping and there's no bathroom around. Go in here. Right here is the fridge. Perfect in the middle. Right next to it is a table and table leg. I will show you that in a second. Right here we have a kitchen unit and another storage unit. Right here, full automatic sink with water pump. So you can do dishes. Push latches installed. In here, just some simple storage. And on this side, we have the plumbing. And behind there's a stove, so you can place it on here and cook. In here, we have more storage and also the battery and a solar charge controller. Right here we can see a little display. It shows voltage on the battery. This seat also has 3 seat belts right here that come out, and it converts to a bed. Let me show you that real quick. It's very simple. Just pull it up, it pops down. There's the bed. This is actually a little bit bigger than a full bed, almost a queen, which is huge for a van. Now let me come around and show you the rest. Right here, you can see the back of the van. Perfect big bed for 2 to 3 people to sleep on. Underneath, lots of storage for surfboards and skateboards and chairs and all other gears that you might have. Also right here we have a garden hose shower just to rinse off. Very simple but effective. Let me show you how the curtains work with this. Just pop into place. Nice privacy. Still get a breeze right here and insulation. Now let me show you how you get the bed back up. Right here, what I'm gonna do is just pull it up, flip it over. That's it. When you want to have a meal inside the van, all you need to do is grab this right here. Twist it in place and grab this table right here. Pops on. Let me show you how this looks with the table in place. Right here, 2 people can sit and have a meal inside. The kitchen right there, in case it ever rains. Let me show you another part on this van built. Right here, nice LED lights. Super bright. They run off the house battery. And then right here, we have an inverter installed, so you can run all your appliances, and some more USB plugs are right there as well. Let me show you the solar panel on the roof. Right here, you won't see it, but look closely right here. It's a flat solar panel installed right there. Thank you for watching my van tour. Let me know if you have any questions on the build or if you want to see more. This van is actually up for sale, so contact me through www.pbcampervans.com if you're interested. Also check out our Instagram, pbcampervans, for recent campervan builds.